How good's this? Sitting back, enjoying this beautiful summer weather in one of my brand new Adirondack chairs that I built for the Carl Pope Woodcraft Build a Chair Challenge. Doesn't get much better than this. If you haven't done so already, I suggest you go and check out the entries in Carl's challenge. I'll leave a link down in the description below. The challenge finished probably a couple of weeks ago, and I'd say it was pretty successful. I think there was about 20 entries, so yeah, definitely worth a look. And that challenge followed on from another very successful challenge, the Scrapwood Challenge, that was called by Dirk from Sumo's Projects. That was also another very successful challenge with about 40 entries, and I'll leave a link to that as well down below. So thinking about that, I wanted to keep the momentum going, and a few months back I was talking to Dirk about this and came up with the idea of seasonal challenges. So what that means is having a challenge with the theme being the season, so summer, autumn, winter or spring. The good thing about that is it gives us the opportunity to have 4 challenges a year, which I don't think is too much or even too onerous, and you can choose to participate in all of them or whichever ones you like. I like the challenges because I think they inspire and motivate people, and they also really strengthen the bonds that we have in our community, which is a great thing. So because it's summer here in Australia, I'm going to call out the Summer Build Challenge. So the hashtag will be SummerBuilds21. Now I realise that it is summer here in the Southern Hemisphere and not, around the rest of the world, but the challenge is open to anybody. It is a woodworking challenge, so predominantly your item has to be made of wood, but you can include other materials, that's fine. And in the video, you just need to show or explain how your item is related to summer. The theme is open to interpretation any way you like, but like I said, yeah, it'd just be good if you could show us the link between your item and summer. So because the holiday season is basically upon us and people may be away from their shops or doing family things over the next few weeks, I thought I'd stretch the end date for the challenge to probably the last weekend of February. I think I'll give everyone plenty of time. So yeah, so looking forward to it. Get your thinking caps on and think about what you're going to build. I will post regular reminders about the challenge just to make sure that it doesn't slip anyone's mind because, like I said, it's going to be around the end of February. But yeah, so looking forward to that and see what you come up with.